Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to unlock your Equifax credit report. We will also put a link in the description below for TransUnion credit monitoring service in case if you're interested. To start, open the website equifax.com. Then click on Login. On the drop-down list, you will see a section for My Equifax. Under it is a Login button. Click on the Login button. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Freeze and Lock. At the middle part of the page, you will see a slider. Slide to the left to unlock. That's how you unlock your Equifax credit report. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.